Don't trade mindlessly. I will teach you to focus on the main thing. Friends, Fix Profit is here, a channel about progressive trading. I am a trader with great experience. I use quality tools in my work and I want to share my insights. Folks, I am helped by a smart robot that reads the market and shares recommendations quickly and intelligently. You can get this bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will help you. One of the great advantages of the robot is its ability to work not only with exchange currency pairs, but also with options for over-the-counter trading. Now I decided to work with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen OTC, 5-minute timeframe. Artificial intelligence gave me a recommendation, lower. A bounce from the resistance zone now could create new momentum that would help sellers. Yes, the robot helped me spot this trend. I think the bears have the power to continue bending their line. The areas of declining highs in the past 10 minutes suggest this as well. The frequency of data update in the robot is 1 minute. Friends, in order not to miss new useful and developing your thinking content, click on the button subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment. Your feedback is important to our team. It helps us to develop the channel. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get one thing straight from the jump. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not Vegas. It's not a roulette table where you drop $10 and pray for a miracle. It's a business, and like any business, it rewards discipline, consistency, and strategic thinking, not luck, hype, or hope. That's why we're starting with the one principle most beginners ignore: money management. The number one rule? Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let that sink in. You're not here to gamble. You're here to build something slow, intentional, and sustainable. If you're trading with $500, you should be entering trades worth no more than $5 to $10. This isn't about playing scared. It's about playing smart. You wouldn't put your entire savings into one stock just because someone on Reddit said it's going to the moon, right? Same logic applies here. Risk management is your shield. It's your armor in a war where emotion is the enemy. Think of your capital like ammunition. If you blow it all in the first round, you don't get a second chance. Protect it like your life depends on it, because in the world of trading, your account does. Now let's talk about failure. Everybody falls in this game. Everybody. The greats weren't born with some magical edge. They just stuck around long enough to figure it out. Think of people like Elon Musk. 3 failed rockets before one launched. Michael Jordan got cut from his high school basketball team. Steve Jobs got fired from his own company. These people didn't quit, they recalibrated. I am sharing my experience. This is not financial advice. I am showing you how I do it. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. In trading, you'll lose. You'll feel like it's not for you. You'll question your intelligence, your decisions, your self-worth. And then one day, you'll place a trade that changes everything. Not because it's huge, but because you'll realize you can do this. In the meantime, I've completed my first trade qualitatively. The robot helped me not to miss important trends and I made the right decision. Now it's time to work with another currency pair, pound and yen OTC. The recommendation from neural network is lower. I pressed the red button on the broker. Now the market locally feels overbought. It should contribute to the trend reversal downward and strengthening of sellers' positions. In the past 10 minutes the price was declining and the declining highs are very noticeable. Now we are likely to see more frequent consolidation moments. After an overbought moment, the bulls will take a breather and start a more intense fight again. However, the bears still have stronger momentum. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. You know what separates winners from quitters? Winners show up on the days they don't feel like it. Winners stick to the plan when it gets boring. Winners know it's not the one flashy win that matters. It's the 100 small wins compounded over time. That's why I built this assistant. A smart trading bot that doesn't just automate trades, but analyzes market conditions, scans for high-quality signals, and gives you the kind of data-driven clarity you won't find in your gut instinct. And guess what? Right now, it's 100% free. That's right, in about a month, access becomes paid. So if you're watching this and thinking, maybe I'll try it later, don't. Try it now. The link's in the description. I've seen traders go from 9 to 5 jobs to full-time income using this system. Not because it's magic, but because they used it with intention. They showed up every day. They journaled their trades. They reviewed their losses. They let the bot handle the signal analysis while they focused on execution. Remember, this isn't risk-free. Trading is inherently risky. Just like opening a coffee shop, launching a startup, or investing in real estate. But when you combine calculated risk with data, discipline, and consistency, that's where the results come from. Now, here's where most people mess up. They don't analyze their trades. After each session, review your entries. Ask yourself, was the signal valid? Did I follow the rules? Did I exit on emotion or logic? The answers are always in the data. And please, don't just look at the candles. Look at the trend. Look at RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Don't just react to a spike. Understand the story the chart is telling. This is not noise. This is information. Now, if you've watched this far, I want you to drop a comment. Tell me how you approach money management. What indicators do you use? What strategy saved your account last week? Let's build a space where we're not just trading in silence, we're trading as a crew. Hit that like if you found value. Subscribe if you want more real talk, no fluff, no fake promises, just tools, tactics, and truth. Bye.